What up YouTube? Back at it again with another video. Today we are working on our boys Honda Accord. We got D2 lowering springs and a 19-inch wheel and tire package. So if you guys are in the market and you guys have a Honda Accord and this is your body style, stay tuned for the results of this video because you might want this setup as well. Don't you guys worry, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. We have been shooting to the moon since we've been back on YouTube. So thank you guys here, and if you guys are here in your first, comment down below something. Let us know, let's interact together. Let us know what you guys would like to be part of these videos. If you want more behind the scenes stuff, let us know because we can only grow with you guys. We want to know what you guys want to watch. Hang out with us, show us some love. So with that being said, hit the sub button if you guys haven't already. Let's transform our boys Accord. New wheels and tires, new lowering springs, coming your way, coming soon. All right, so we're gonna go with the 19-inch chrome setup. We're gonna show you guys the first test fit before we strap on any tires to them. We wanna make sure that we got the offset and everything right. So this is a 19-inch wheel setup, 19, 9.5, 32 offset, pretty aggressive there, which I like. So, and we're also gonna pair it with the new tire setup. That's gonna be running a 245/40, I believe we got, or 235/40. But either way, when they get here, I'll show you guys how that goes. But look at that setup. A quick little mock-up before. So shout out to our homie for showing you guys that. That is a quick little brief setup. Let's get into the rest. D2 lowering springs, 2-inch drop, gonna be nice and aggressive. So the gap, the wheel gap is gonna no longer be there. And the cool wheel and tire is gonna show you guys that. Also to let you guys know, we got like over 50 sets of display wheels now in stock at the store from other brands and companies. So now we can show you guys more wheels and tires offering here at the store. Check out the new chrome line from ESR. Very popular line right there, look at that, new drops. We also can now service other bigger wheels. We have 24s, 22s, all that good stuff. Look at that. Good looking wheel right there. So hit us up for your guys' wheel and tire packages. We offer financing, we offer shipping, we offer installation. When you guys buy wheels and tires, we install it all for free. And we have tire sensors here so we can program it all. So build your setups today. Look at this. Wheels and tires galore for days, baby. Sheesh. We also got a shipment of our Yofer body kits, diffusers, side skirts, front lips, front grills. See this? We went to the time labeling. We have all the colors and options available. You guys can shop dtrmotoring.com and get this shipped right to you guys' front door, or you guys can pick up in store because we have these in stock today. We still have to figure out how we're gonna clean that up, but coming over to the showroom, we're gonna do this showroom a different layout. We still have to put this stuff away. We ordered more stuff over the weekend to restock the store. And also, if you guys need any carbon fiber, we got carbon fiber for days. Let's do it. So, cool new look coming to the shop showroom first. Stay tuned for that. If you guys haven't already, hit the sub button on this video and let's go. All right, so the wheels are off to get mounted with new tires. This is like take 10, part of the video. You didn't even see it before, but this is where we're at right now. Our boy, how you feeling today?
Pretty good. Got stock stuff off. D2's going on. Car's gonna look beautiful.
Heck yeah, that's right. So this is gonna be a lot of fun taking off this fun side. The hardest part about these cars is always the front assembly. If you know, you know. If you don't know, when you get into it, you're gonna look into it, you're gonna figure out what we know. The front is a lot of fun. The rear is the easier part, but we're knocking it out, making good time. I can't wait to show you guys the end results on this one. The new wheels and tires with the springs are gonna look super aggressive. It's gonna be really good of a transformation. So today is another progress day here. We have orders showing up and getting shipped out, so check your guys' tracking numbers. You guys can also follow the DTR Motoring Shopify, so you guys can see also what's in stock there too. So another day here at the shop, just making progress. A little quick update. I'll show you guys some more updates soon. All right, fast forward. How are we looking in the front, pal?
Almost assembled. Just gotta get that bear hug.
Yeah, that's time for the bear. Time for the muscles to come in. But, what's up, dude? How you doing? We got a delivery, boys. Some wheels are happy for ride. Let's go ahead and check in the order and give the customers their call. Let them know the parts are here. This is how we handle headaches. We got 3 out of 4 wheels here, and we had an appointment for the wheels today. So, yeah, what a bump in the road. How does that make you feel?
Stupid.
Yeah, that's to say the least. Man, dude, well, we're gonna have to call the customer, go ahead and schedule an appointment for hopefully tomorrow because we gotta find the 4th rim and see where it's at. So now when this happens, there's 4 different tracking numbers to each item. So now we're gonna have to find the missing one and see where that other 4th one is at, probably on a different route for FedEx, but not their fault. It is what it is. We're gonna have to solve the solution, and we gotta get that bear hug over here. We need the muscles on this side now. But that's just a part of the ride, dude. Just a part of the ride. Hold on, boys. You might have not have needed it. What'd you figure out, pal?
It should have ate my spinach sooner.
You think you got it?
Possibly.
Well, that's always a definite plus.
We will find out soon.
So right now, what are you doing? You're aligning the control arm?
Yep, just aligning the control arm, putting everything back the way it was.
Nice. Well, that only drops for one side, which took about 2 hours. But, we'll get to the other side and start the other 2 hours on the other side. But making progress nonetheless, boys. We are making progress. All right, you ready to open it, pal? This is a great song. God, I love this song. He's like, guys! Oh! Yeah, he was dancing. Guys! Just like that, coming over to the front assembly, the D2 lowering spring is installed. Look at that. My boy Ed did it all by himself. The only muscles he needed was in himself. That's what you call a true belief, pal. Well, we are starting the timer for the next 2 hours to start over here on the commence on this side. And I think the rear would be about another hour or so. So towards the end of the day, we'll have the wheels and tires and all lowered up. So give you guys a brief idea of how long it takes to do these cars. But that's what we're here for, boys. Book those appointments today. Financing is available. You can finance the parts and the labor. Get it all shipped to you guys' door too as well. If you're not local, not a problem. We'll ship it right to you guys' front door. Just another beautiful day here in the office. So thank you guys for watching this far. If you're here, hit the like button if you haven't already. Right now we are doing a check-in of a customer's order. The heart-shaped wheels have landed. This will be tomorrow's installation going down. You guys can see that there. We got the tires coming in, so we're just doing a brief inspection to make sure it's all good before we get to mounting the tires. So stay tuned for that. That'll be an awesome video for tomorrow. So one of the most appreciative parts that I go through here at the shop is seeing people actually click on our website. We have averaging 150 people visiting our website, dtrmotoring.com, and that's good. That means that people are checking in, that our content is working and our numbers are working. I'm adding parts as fast as I can. Since we have a small team here, we're adding on the daily, whatever parts we can out there. But if there's anything on there that you don't see that's for your car, just use the little chat box. I can't express that enough. Just click it or reach out to us and we'll add it in 2 seconds. That way, if you are out of state and you need to ship, we can get it right to your front door ASAP, fast. But go ahead and check out the website. Over 130 people check it on the daily, and that's good. We're gonna keep on grinding it out from here. So dtrmotoring.com or call us here today. We'll service you ASAP. We are ready for you guys and help you guys and guiding you guys on your car enthusiast and car journey. Damn, I muffed it. I had a cool idea in my head. I'll work on that later. But yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video. We're still making headway on that Accord. All right, so the front is already finished. Got the front assembly on. Now, if you didn't know this, in the rear part, it is the same as the front. So the assembly is different. Now on the newer gen Accords, it comes with the split between the shock and the lowering spring. You'll see the bottom half be independent by itself. But this is multi-link spring assembly. So in order to take the shock off, you have a couple of things to go around, which is why the design on this year particularly has a longer time to get finished and some extra steps to go around to get it out. Not the end of the world, but it has a different setup. So the same as the front, as you guys can see, the shock sits here. You have the bolt that goes under here to remove this, and then obviously to get to the top. So another tedious process you can say when it comes to removing this car apart, specifically the 13 to 17 body styles. This is what it's going to come with, and you'll see this in a lot of BMWs and Lexuses and etc. So when it comes to working on your car, just a quick little, it's not all the Hondas are the same, so they are different. But nonetheless, we're gonna get right down to it, take this off and get right back to work. All right guys, and now we have the tires on the rims. Look at that. It looks so much better with the wheels and tires assembled. Right now, progress is being made. We have the front assembly finished, the rear's getting locked out, and pretty soon we're gonna be able to mount these bad boys onto this car and show you guys the final results for sure. So we're getting super close. We're getting there, boys. Let's keep it going. Now let's talk about financing. One of the most common questions, how does it work? How can I get those parts that you guys have or services you guys have, and how can I find out if I get approved? So the cool part is we offer about 4 different finance companies, and that's what the boss man is doing right now. He's currently getting signed up. So that is Snap Finance, Acima Finance, Easy Pay Finance, and now American First. Now the cool part is all you have to do is be over 18. You have to have a job and an ID. You can prove an income. You can also be self-employed as well. So if you're like a barber or work under the table, as long as you have a bank account to show income, you can get approved. Next, how does it work, okay? You're going to apply to whatever ones you like. You can apply to all of them, see which one gives you the most. And now you can bring that application in and say, okay, you know what, Drew? I got approved for this much. I'm looking for wheels and tires, or I need suspension, or I like a steering wheel setup, or a body kit. Whatever the car needs on that you're working on. Once you get approved, you use that to front the bill. Every one of them is gonna be standardly the same. 3 months to pay interest free. Just make sure you make those payments on time and you knock it out of the park, because if not, the interest is going to climb up and you're going to be really mad at yourself. So super easy. Most of them are about 0 down. Worst case it is you walk in today and you spend about $21 down as a down payment, and you get the parts and the services done the same day. So you can finance all this cool stuff, the installation, the labor, all etc., the same day. Or if you're out of state, you can still get approved and we can ship it to you, and you can have it within a couple of days based on where you're at. So super easy way to get approved. It takes you guys like 5 minutes to find out if you're approved and what amount, and you can use that towards product and services. That means you can cover the bill on new suspension, new intake system, exhaust system, all the cool stuff you guys see us post about. Every single one of those things is covered on those services. So cool little, throw this in the video. Find out if you can apply today just by sending us a link, or go to any of our social media pages, click the link in the bio. It'll have a link that drives you there, or dtrmotoring.com. So cool little, throw that in there. Now let's get back to the video. Big Ed right here, putting in that elbow grease. Almost finished to the finish line.
You want to push down? Oh.
Yeah, you want to push it? All right, boys, look at, we're putting the gloves to use, baby.
You get on this side.
I'll go on this side.
Leverage.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
All right. All right. Look up. I need a different spot. Let's see.
Oh, I think the boss is gonna put elbow grease. Hold on. We might have to take it up to corporate.
All right. Switch sides.
Uh-oh, corporate. Corporate's in here.
All the way down. There's something. Show this not clear. Yeah, it's just break it. Careful. Oh yeah, careful. Keep going.
That's it. Steady. And that is almost gonna finish up there. That's what I was explaining about earlier, boys, in taking out the rears. It's gonna match this side. And that's kind of what we're doing. I know I don't have flash on, but it's gonna match up to this side. I'll show you guys the spring right there. You guys see that? You have to need help. You need help to press to get this one out. But we're coming up to the finish line now, boys. We got that on. Slap on the wheels, put on the lug nuts, tighten out the wheels, and show you guys the end results. Customer's here picking up his current parts right now, so shout out to my boy for pulling up. And we're almost finished towards the end of the day. And then tomorrow is gonna be another exciting video, as we have a Corolla coming in for a DC Sports exhaust, and we have to work on custom work for that. So stay tuned. So if you guys didn't know, there's a certain way about polishing the tire, and that's where I come in. The boys now balance the tires, lock on the lug nuts, and I get to do the cleanup part. Thanks, bro. And when you guys shop dtrmotoring.com, we watch it live. Look at this. One order in, we have 3 active carts. Check it out. If you don't see your car on there, let us know. Like I said previously before, get those orders in. Let's do it, boys. 3, 2, 1.
All right, time for the big reveal.
Oh yeah, dude.
Awesome.
Yeah. On this one, do we have to roll it back with the e-brake? It probably did it get locked? Yeah, we're gonna get the final fitment. Yep.
Ooh, that fitment's close.
Yeah, man, that looks good. Reaction video coming up. What's up, bro? You ready to see your car? Yeah. Yeah.
What's the side there?
So what do you think, bro? How does it look?
It looks good, I like it.
Do you love it?
I love it. It's nice.
Transform the whole thing, huh?
Way better than the old shit.
Yeah. Man, dude, that looks really good.
No more, like a 65.
Yeah, that's the whole stock one? Heck yeah, none of that no more, bro. You're riding low today. So that means when you leave out of here, bro, you gotta watch the curves. Because you guys finna got bumps for sure.
I'm gonna remember. For sure.
All right, pal. Well, thank you, sir.
Hell yeah, thank you. Appreciate
Heck
it.
yeah, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. There's his whip. Final results. So we're gonna get the rolling shot right now when it rolls out, but that'll wrap up today's video. So if you guys are ready or have any type of inquiries, you guys can reach out today, get all the questions answered, set up those appointments for us here. And man, that looks good. Look at that. Wow, dude. Gotta get some pictures for the Instagram.
Some noise?
All right, so here's the final fitment after getting it rocked on all the way around. The lowering springs are set up, wheel and tires set up. Now mind you guys, when you guys are building your setups, if you're not too sure what's gonna fit, that's what our job is here. Tell us the car, tell us what you're working on, tell us where you wanna end up at, and we'll get you guys squared away. So another job is finished, going out of the garage. We'll see you guys tomorrow, back on the YouTube grind.